Hello there, YouTube. How are ya? Hope you're all well. George, Cherry Eye, 7 Kilo Oscar. And got this thing from one of the boys in work. He seen me looking at them on... and I was actually looking at the bigger ones, like the part of a separate system or whatever you want to call it. And he says, oh, I have one of those mini disc jobs at home. And he brought it in and he gave it to me. And a big bag of discs. I like fooling around with stuff like this, so this is a mini disc. Basically, it's like a miniature CD in a case. 90s technology, before Apple kind of came along with the whole iPod idea. And I have a plan for this thing. So you can see there, it's got line in, which is good. And your output here. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take the AF out feed from the 7300 and I'm going to stick it in there. And I'll take an output here and feed it into the mixer. So that way, that will give me over the air playback of somebody if they want me to make a recording of them. Now, the 7300 has a recording facility, as we all know, but it doesn't have over-the-air playback, so this is just kind of a workaround. And it's got a USB port on it. So I have I got the software for it. You can get software for it. I have that downloaded and all. I haven't done anything with it yet, but the main thing about the USB is rather than battery, you can power it from the USB, so you don't have to be worrying about batteries. So it does work fine. Let me just plug it in and turn it on. And you can label all your tracks and stuff as well, so quite handy. Let's keep these clips short. Don't want the copyright Nazis giving me a hard time. So it works fine, and it does record. You can see there it's got the record button on it. So we'll make use of this. Thanks very much, Dave, if you're watching. He could well be. He asked me what was all this amateur radio crack about, so I was explaining it to him one night. And so, as I said, he arrived in with that and a big bag of discs of about 20. And you can record over them and record over them as many times as you want, so might as well make use of it. So why not? So not much else been going on. Been kind of active on 80 quite a bit lately, and not doing so much on Facebook anymore. I kind of got fed up of it. Too many people on there that know everything, except how to turn the radio on, apparently, because they're never on. But there you go. That's pretty much it. So we'll wrap it up there. I need to make a little stand for this thing, kind of to hold it up, something like that, on the desk. And we'll knock something together, I'm sure. So could end up doing that in another video. We'll see how it goes. So 73 to everybody, and thanks for watching. We'll get you again some other time. This is George, EI 7 Kilo Oscar.